Some of the key moments for me personally this week was really hearing other people talk about what the point of their design festival was, and it brought it all back to me about why I had started the design festival in the beginning, to celebrate the work of Welsh designers. So another big moment for me was meeting some of the young designers. Their enthusiasm just rubbed off on me, so it was an opportunity there to sort of think about how we might collaborate. I had several conversations that were really good. Met the visual communication guy from Centro University who I'd heard about earlier on in the day. So that was quite nice, and invited him to lunch tomorrow. You actually involve your target audience in the design of the product or the service that you're designing. And it's all about having the human being at the centre of designing almost anything, isn't it?
Yes. We try to get the people involved in our design. So they can feel part of it, so they can feel free using it.
Thank you, Mariana.
No, thank you.
It was inspirational. Those were great moments.